Check my Phantom wallet out. In this video, I will show you exactly how I made this entire amount of money from deving meme coins. So all I do every single day is I find narratives online. It could be news, it could be narratives, it could be anything, and I turn them into meme coins, and I make money from every single person buying my coin. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do that from start to finish. Stop trading, and if you want to become profitable the right way without risking anything, you need to watch this video. Let's go. Now here's why you need to start deving meme coins right now. Okay, you guys need to know that these devs are making thousands of dollars every single day because they're taking advantage of the fact that these meme coins hold no real value. At the end of the day, they will eventually just go to zero, just like this coin right here. So all they're doing is they're creating coins, they're waiting for people like you and like all the other traders to buy in, right, on all the hype, and then they cash out on your head to make thousands. So for this reason alone, you should start deving, bro. It's insane. You have nothing to lose, okay? It costs nothing to create a coin, and that's exactly what makes deving so insane. You make money from the Pump.Fun creator fees, and you make money from your supply that you held from the very start, and then you just cash out. That's exactly how I make personally my money from deving. So in this video, I will show you how to dev a meme coin live, because I will be doing a live launch to show you every single step of the way for completely free. And by the way, guys, I am not at all a financial advisor. This entire video is for educational purposes only, so do your own research, okay? And I am not a financial advisor. Yeah. Now, first of all, you need to know how to launch your meme coins. Now, you need to be using a launchpad called Launch.io to make your coins. The reason why we make our coins here is because every single coin that you create on this launchpad will go to Raydium instead of Pump.Fun. Right here in the migrate section, this is the Raydium DEX. Every single coin that is migrated is basically on Raydium. It's the same exact thing. And look, all these coins on Raydium, they all usually pump, right? But if you compare those to Pump.Fun coins, well, the coins on Pump.Fun are absolutely dog shit. So that's why we launch here. Now, to make a coin, you could either create a coin from scratch or you can copy coins. I made all my money from copying coins. Why? Because all of these coins are going viral, they all have good narratives, and they all have good price action and a bunch of volume. So we're going to be copying a coin here, a random coin, and launching it back to Raydium to get buyers. Now it's time to make money. Let's dev a coin and then see how much we can make right now live. Keep watching, bro. It's going to be insane. Yeah, it's going to be live, bro. No cuts, no nothing, no bullshit. So connect your Phantom wallet, right? And now let's copy a coin. Like I said, I just choose a random coin. If it only makes me a couple bucks, like a couple $100, I just cash out and then move and I copy another one. So I'm gonna go for this one, the Uber Coder coin. Click on copy the Raydium. Your Phantom will show up, right? Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, and then click on confirm, and then the coin will be actually minted on chain. Just wait. And bang, now let's create the liquidity pool. Here is where we create the Raydium liquidity pool for our coin, like that. People can buy it and it will go to Raydium in the migrate section. That's the whole point. For the supply, click on 90% allocation. The preset should be there for you. It's there for everyone. Click on that. For the dev buy, put 0.3 SOL. Anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL is alright. Click on create pool. And by the way, the dev buy, you are not going to lose it. If you want it back, you can, bro. It is not permanently lost, okay? So chill out, okay? You just need this for some supply for yourself. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm. And then the coin will be actually live. People will be able to buy your coin. Bang, click on refresh, and as you guys can see, we're live. Okay, this is insane. And yeah, bro, let's go see our chart to see if people are buying our coin. Okay, live. And it should load in. Why isn't it not loading? Bang, go in the 1 second time frame, and as you guys can see, people are buying in. Bang, we're already getting buyers. Let's see how much we're up. Okay, click on refresh. We're already up $200. That is a great sign. That means people love our coin, and this is exactly the power of deving coins. It's insane. People are buying in left and right. These are all random people. And by the way, guys, I have nothing to lose. We're already up like $500 if I had to guess, and I have nothing to lose at all. This is exactly why creating coins is so lucrative. Now, just let the coin pump, and yeah, bro, when it's gonna be high, then now you can cash out. So I'm gonna go do something, and then we'll be right back to cash out. So yeah. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, the coin is strong. Let's cash out, okay? Come back to the coin launch.io, click on refresh, and we're up $2,700. That is insane, guys, okay? Like, bro, you don't understand. From this coin alone in 10 minutes, 2.7k, that's insane. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Oh my god. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm. And then if we should be removed completely, bang, we just dev the coin in front of your face. And that's exactly how to dev meme coin step by step. You might make more or less than me, but here's the proof, guys. Okay, just stay consistent. Even if you make 200 bucks a coin, that is not bad. Okay, if you make 20 coins, that makes a minimum of 100 bucks per coin. That's still like how much, like 2k? I don't know. But yeah, coin launch.io will be linked down below, bro. Just stay consistent and launch. Peace out.